Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Play Store free up space problem. So if you have not enough space, of course, your Google Play Store have a problem because of you cannot install a new app, especially games, because of you don't have a free storage. So all you have to do is just clear your storage. You can manage your app. You can tap your profile picture, manage app and devices, and go to your storage. As you can see, my storage is still blue. If your storage is full, it turn all red. So all you have to do is just uninstall app that's unneeded app, or like games that you already bought, you can uninstall. But if not, you can try to a clear cache of your Google Chrome. You can tap app info, you can tap a storage usage, and you can clear cache. So for example, you can clear cache Chrome, Facebook, Instagram, and all social media that you have, because of social media has a big size of a large size of cache, so you can clear it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.